Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Shahidi Hafizi bin Khalid. My metric number is 176214. Okay, today I will present about my assignment using the MATLAB with a simple coding. Okay, I'll show you my coding. Okay, this is my coding for the MATLAB. This is just a simple coding with a simple solution. Okay, if you can see with the percentage symbol and the green color, this is just the comment. Okay, for this one is my number assignment number 1C, and this is our title, definition of the signal generation. Okay, for the random, this one is random noise generation. Okay, I will explain to you a little bit more about random noise generation. Random noise generator is a circuit that produces electrical noise, example a random signal. Noise generators are used to test signal for measuring noise figure, frequency response and other parameter. Noise generators are also used for generating random number. Okay. Okay, so we define R equal to 50, which means we use the 50 random number. Okay, and we define D equal to ran. Ran means the random number. Okay, then in the column R, comma 1. R is the R is for the row number 1. column number column number 1. Okay, this line means the random number for the row number 1 and column number 1 for the random number will be minus to 0.5. Okay, after this statement, it will generate the uncorrected signal. Okay, after this I will show you how to generate how to display the random number. Okay, after that we define m equal to 0, 1, r minus 1. Okay, this line means the 0 is the initial number, 1 is the increment for the random number. Okay, this is our final value. Okay, for the s is our equation. 2 multiply by m, dot is mean if you want to multiply by something, you have to put the dot. So 2 multiply by m, multiply by 0.9 the power of m. Okay, for the subplot means we can do two plot on the same figure. Okay, for the subplot number 1, subplot 211, and the difference between subplot 211 and subplot 212 is the 2 is the row, 1 is the column, and 1 is the placement. So this is, which means this is the graph for number 1 and this is graph number 2. Okay, for the label for steam is one of the graph that will be shown. It can be bar, it can be scatter, but I choose steam because this is what I have to do. Okay. M S, so our plot will be M versus S. So x label and time index is our x axis and y label is our y axis. This in the bracket is the title of y, x and y. For the title for graph 1 is the original uncorrupt sequence. Okay, this is for my second graph. like I said before, this is the row number 1, column number 2, and placement number 2. uh, this 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 graph also I use the steam graph, M versus T, for the x and y level is, for title x and y level is time index, and y level is amplitude, and title for graph number 2 is noise. Oh, this one is the typo error, sorry. So I'll do it again. Okay, this one is the correct one. Okay, after you wrote this program, you will get this graph. Okay, what I mean by the, for the original uncorrupt sequence, this will we use the first graph, the subplots first graph. It start with 0 until 49. If you can see, our M is 0, increment by 1, and R minus by 1. So 0 until 49 is a 50 number. Okay, if you want to see the random number, we just delete this one. Okay, this is our random number. The random number will be, for the row number 1 and column number 1 will be minus to 0.5. As you can see, this is 50 numbers that will be minus by 0.5. Okay, that will be plot on the second graph. Okay, for the S, if you want to know what S in there, I can show you. Still the same, you just delete this one. Okay, okay, this is our S value. After we got the M, the increment that I see before, so for 0 until 49, it will be added into this equation, and you will get this answer. If you can't believe me, you can calculate it by calculator. For M, multiply by 1, multiply by 0.9 with the power of n, it will get 1.8000, and so on. Okay, for, if you want to change the graph, you also can change the graph. If you don't like steam, CLC is for clear everything, so don't mess up. Steam, we change it to bar. I'm so sorry. See, okay, this is our bar graph that I already changed it to steam to bar. Okay, which is our output, and this is our equation. Sorry, this is our equation, and this is our output. So that's all from me, and I hope if you don't understand anything, you can ask me on the comment below. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.